data types and variables in this video. Now let's open up your Visual Studio Code and create a file, main.py or whatever you want. Make sure it's ending up with .py. Now there's some variables, like for example we learned the print statement in the last video, but today we will learn variable. For example, variable is where a value is stored. For example, we can say value, okay, for example my name, okay, my name equal, where this is a string, means characters. In here what we can type is a character. Make sure you type in quotation mark, double quotation, now, or single quotation, whatever you want. Now we can say hello, my name is Maruf. For example, it's now stored as Maruf. Now we can say it still works, my last name. Well, make sure there is no spaces between it, or else it will not work, because Python's syntax is not that much. Now we can say single quote, we can say Abdullah, we can say, now you can say Maruf and Abdullah. You may ask, how can I know that it's stored? Okay, we can say print the variable's name, my name, okay, we can say my name. Now hit the run button, make sure you have installed it, or press Ctrl Alt N. Now it should start, let it load. Yeah, it's saying Maruf. See, it's printing Maruf. Now we can print it like my last name, okay, my last name. Now we can Abdullah and Maruf. Okay, now we can say, for example, my middle name equal, like you can say all, okay. It's not that much, you get the point. Now there are different types of variables. For example, this is an string, okay, this is a string variable because we are storing characters on it. And there's values like no numeric variables, mean number. Now we can say my fave num equal 20. For example, it's just an example. Print my fave num. Okay, now save it, then run. Save is Ctrl+S, remember to save. Now we can say number. Okay, now you may ask, how can I know like this, what type of is it? Now we can say type. In the type here, in the parenthesis, we can say, remember to give a comma between it. Now give the variable name you want to know what type is it. For example, my fave name. Now I'm saying it's an int. Int stands for integer, that is a number. Okay, now we can say, for example, name my name. Okay, my name, and let's just say my name here too. Now we should see string str. Str stands for string. Now there's a booleans. Okay, booleans are like true and false. You have seen it probably. Now we can say I am a is programmer. We can say variable is programmer equal true. Okay, the capital letter T, or else it will not work. Now we can say print is programmer comma is programmer, type, you will say type is programmer. Now you should see boolean. Okay, bool stands for boolean. Now we can say it's good. There's another, like we can say is do the does, like do he go, for example there are values that has no values, okay, and there's none, like is a, like for example you are declaring a variable, then you are using it, okay. For example, for now I don't want to use the variable do I do exists, okay, equal none. Then he has a value of none. You can print it's a print I do exist. Oh, sorry, I did double print statement. You can say type I do exist, save it, then we can say type none type, okay. Now we can like say I do exist, copy, okay. Now we can say that none, okay. That's a type of none, true class none, it has type of none, and it's saying just class none because none does not exist, so it's not printing none. I think that's it for today. I hope so you enjoy.